Hi friends, today we will see the multiple allelism, and in that we will see the introduction and definition of multiple allelism, different examples of multiple allelism, in that eye color in Drosophila, blood groups in man, and self incompatibility in plants. So before that, we should know the Mendel's work. In his work, he has expressed that a character is controlled or governed by a pair of genes. Means for a single character there are two genes, and he has taken his favorite example of pea plants. In that pea plant, he found two colors, red colored flower and white colored flowers. So for red flower color, the two genes are responsible, that is capital R or capital R and small r. While for white flower color is expressed by two genes, that is small r and small r. But in reality, red and white colors are not a different characters. They are not two characters. So it is a single character, and that is the flower color. So in this case, red and white color are the two variants of a single character, and that is the flower color. So the gene capital R and small r constitute a form pair of alleles, and they are related to each other. That is the capital R and small r. Here the capital R is normal, it is original, called wild, and it is a dominant, while the gene R small r is arisen from the dominant capital R gene by structural changes called mutation. So this small r is get arisen from capital R, and they are not separate from each other. So they are the alternative forms of each other. Capital R and small r is alternative form of a single gene and is known as alleles. So they are not different from each other. Being a single character, they are alternative of each other. Thus, according to Mendel, a character can be exist only in two forms, namely dominant form and recessive form. And gene occurs in two alternative forms or states. That is, we have seen dominant form or recessive form shown by the capital R or small r. But in reality, sometimes gene may exist in more than two alternative forms, not compulsorily only in two forms, but it may express in more than two forms